Okay guys, I'm going to show you our new bird spot, their favorite banding right now. Now we go to the living room. We're going to check what are they doing. So here you go. So here you guys, the new, what do you call this one? Hanging bird. No, no, no. Ito sila ngayon. Happy na. But don't make a big mess, guys. Here you go. Isn't it nice? They're happy now. They are lovely birds.
I think that us spending Thanksgiving together is
Hi,
more
baby.
important than like a stupid 50-hour goal. And I think we should do it right
Good
now.
job. Do you like your new hanging bird now? Hanging bird now. Happy sila. Sila. Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag dito. Maybe. It's so cute. Our babies are enjoying their moment. Happy Valentine's. Wow, look at that. Don't follow mommy. Don't follow mom. Why you follow mommy? No. Look, is this about?
Let me turn your phone right now.
So, oh yeah. You go back. Go back here. Go play here. Go. I. Go now. Oh my goodness. They're like mom. Oh my dear. They're like mommy.
Myself and showed the inside of a Mr. Beast video for the first time ever. And he said yes. This brings us to Mr. Beast's warehouse where I have no idea.
You're so cute. Are you thinking? Are you thinking? Are you thinking? Or you are the new baby? Okay, go back. Go back where you belong. Come on. Come on. Go here. I'm not a food. Go eat your treat. No. Ay, sus, ginuuman. Go. Thank you. Come. Go back. Go back here.
Hi, who are you?
You're tickling me too much. Thank you. Guys, bye. I'm doing my laundry.